Diane in Denmark here. I am back with another 15-minute motivational mix. Today what we're doing I don't want to waste my evening routine. Anybody feel that way? I've got a few prompts for you to take you through the next 15 minutes so we can really shift your mindset. So without further ado, let's dive in. And again, if you want to work on your own thing today, maybe you've got your own to-do list, you can do that. As I said, I'm going to be helping you to not waste your evening. So first of all, what I want you to do is, where are you right now? What about the kitchen? Have you eaten dinner? Is it a mess in there? We're just going to spend a few minutes just putting away the dishes into the dishwasher. If you've got a few things to wash, clean off the counters, okay? So you go do that. And I thought we'd have a wee bit of fun today with the tracks that I'm playing. And I will link them all down below in the video information. But see if you can guess what is the connection between all of these tracks today. And I'll put the answer. I'll kind of bury it down in the video information. Okay. But meanwhile, you get back to your kitchen. Okay, how's it going there in the kitchen? Do you need to prep tomorrow's coffee? Just let's get things tidied up. Because the problem is when you're thinking about the kitchen, you can't relax and enjoy the rest of your evening. You're thinking, oh, well, I'll do it later. You know what? You're going to fall asleep on the sofa. Been there, done that. And you know what I always say? You don't want to have to do it. You just have to do it. Just a few minutes, okay? So keep going in the kitchen. Hopefully the kids are helping if you've got kids. Have they cleared the table? Any stuff that you've had out on the kitchen table, condiments, get those back in the fridge. Is there homework on the kitchen table? Let's get that packed up and put into the school bags. Remember to keep drinking water, coffee, whatever you've got, wherever you are in the world. get a wee bit more oomph with our next track to keep going in the kitchen. Okay, we're going to be finishing up in the kitchen soon and moving on to our next thing so we don't waste our evening. So, finish in the kitchen, let's do something else. And what I want you to do is to think about how can we make things easier tomorrow. That's what we're doing. We're not wasting tonight. And one of the best ways for you not to waste your evening, to free up of all the guilt, is to think, okay, what can I do now that's going to make tomorrow feel better? So look at your diary. What's happening? Are you going to a meeting? Are you going out to work? Are the kids going on a trip? What are the things that we can do to help us get set up for that? So maybe you need to look out for your outfit. I always look out my outfit the night before. What about bags, school bags, water bottles, packed lunches that need made? Get those in the fridge. Your keys, where are your keys? All these small things that when you do them now only takes a couple of minutes and it's just going to make you feel better tomorrow. Okay? Got that? Off you go. On things to make tomorrow a little easier. Has anybody got the connection yet between the tracks? You can put in a comment and a timestamp of the video when you get it. And if you didn't get it, don't worry. We've got another couple of tracks to come. Okay, so what are you doing to get yourselves, make it easier for yourself tomorrow? For me personally, I love setting up the coffee. Hubby now does that. That's his job. Woohoo! One less for me to do. Got my outfit for the next day because that way, when I wake up in the morning, I'm not having to think. Of course, I can think if I need to, but I don't want to have all those decisions to make. So just a few minutes the night before, I've got my outfit ready to go. Will depend on the weather. If you're not sure about the weather, get 2 outfits ready. A question that I always get a lot. got the connection of the tracks yet? Love this one, love this one. Okay, a couple more minutes and then we're going to go into the final phase of getting yourself, not wasting your evening, but enjoying your evening. Okay, for our final thing that we're going to do today, and remember, you can be working on your own to-do list. Doesn't need to be what I'm helping you, telling you to do. Final thing is we're going to do some pupas, P-U-P-A. Put your hands in the air if you know what a pupa is. Pick up and put away. You're going to go, just spend a couple of minutes. We've got 5 minutes left on the timer. There we go. And we're just going to pick things up and put them away where they need to go, because it's one of those things when you say to me, my house is dirty and messy and I need to clean it. Most of the time it's because you haven't picked things up and put them away. It's not actually dirty, it just looks messy. So a few minutes, get the kids, if you've got kids at home, significant other, whatever, just spend a few minutes. It could be in the living room, picking up things and putting them away. Are there coats there? Are there school bags that need to go into the hall? What about coffee cups or things like that? Look beside your bed. Are there things there beside your bed that are piling up? Let's work on those, okay? And I'll give you another track and let's see if you can guess the connection.
Music sounds better with you. Love might bring us back together. I feel so good. I feel right. The music sounds better with you. Love might bring us back together.
Okay, how's it going with those pupas? P-U-P-A. Pick them up and put them away. And you can also put your hands in the air like you just don't care. Okay, we've got a couple of minutes left on the clock. How's it going? But don't stop to leave a comment right now. Just keep pushing through.
Oh non, je ne veux plus être ta reine. Oh non, je ne veux plus que tu sois mon roi. Ça se voit, ça me dérange d'être comme ça. Toi, ça t'arrange. Comme tu me vois, mais tu vois que moi.
Okay, and a wee bit of a hint with the last track. Did you get the connection? Anyway, we're counting down now. We've got 1 more minute to go. So come back to me from wherever you've been doing your poopas, your pick up and put aways. And how are you feeling? Are you feeling better? Are you feeling more in control? I'm just here to help you to do a few minutes. As I always say, you don't want to have to do it, you just have to do it. And you saw that we were setting ourselves up tomorrow so that tonight, now, you can go off and enjoy your evening, whether you are going to be doing a bit of DJing, whether you want to sit outside and read your book or watch some good cozy crimes on the TV.
Je ne veux plus être ta reine. Tu entends? Mais non. Je ne veux plus être ta reine. Je ne veux plus que tu sois mon roi.
Okay, so there we go. You've worked with me for 15 minutes. We did a couple of minutes extra. Hope you've enjoyed today's mix. As I said, the tracks will be in the video information. Woohoo! There goes the timer has gone. Woohoo! And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the hygge mixing be with you. And I shall see you very soon for another little 15-minute mix with a ra, ra, ra. Okay, bye for now. And I just need to see where I switch off the recording. Okay, see you soon.